Hi, welcome to the Titus Ventures channel, and this video will show how to deal with the authorization and permissions issues when a user is using a Google Apps Scripts add-on, whether that be using Sheets or Doc, and we're trying to run a piece of code that has to access their email or exercise some permissions regarding their Google account. I've published an add-on on the marketplace, and I've seen this with some users. They'll try to use the add-on and some features won't work because it's not able to run the code that accesses certain permissions. So I'll show you how to reproduce the issue and then show a workaround to fix it. Now currently this is a Google issue. This is nothing wrong with how we've set up our add-on or coded up our add-on. And there are plenty of issues on Google's issue tracker that shows this issue. But yeah, so let's jump right into it. I'm in an incognito window and I'll just go to my Google Drive. I'll first log into a dummy account, and this will serve as my default account on the browser. All right, so now this account is my default account on the browser. There are no other accounts signed in, and this is also an account that did not install the Google Apps Scripts add-on. All right. So now I'll click here and click add another account. And this account is the one that has installed the add-on. All right, now that I have logged in, I can see that there are two accounts logged into this browser. And keep in mind that first dummy account here is the default account. And my current account is the one that the Google Apps Scripts add-on is installed to. So if I go and open up the add-on in a Google Sheets or wherever the add-on was installed, it could be on a Google Docs. So mine is installed on a Google spreadsheet. And if I try to use it, I'm going to see an issue. So this I just coded it in to handle this, but basically what is happening is my app is trying to access the user's email by using the session.getActiveUser.getEmail function. And because it's trying to run that line of code, it's running into permissions issues because I've logged into this default account, which is the default account of the browser, but I am operating on the current account, which the Google add-on is installed onto. So the issue here is that the add-on is trying to access the user email, but it's using this account to do so, where this account did not approve any of the permissions for this Google Sheets add-on. This may be one problem that your users are facing. And again, this is not an issue with your add-on's code or how you've deployed it. This is currently a Google issue when there are multiple accounts signed in onto the browser and that the default account is not the one that allowed the permissions on the add-on. So in order to work around this issue currently, I will sign out of all accounts and then only sign on to the account that the add-on is installed with, where the permissions are set. All right, so now that you can see the only account on this browser signed in is this account, and now this becomes the default account. If I go back to the Google spreadsheet that the add-on is installed into, and then try to use the add-on again, everything should work as intended. I can see that my sidebar is operating properly, and the add-on is using the proper permissions from the proper account. I was going through the review process to get another add-on onto the Google Workspace Marketplace, and upon reviewing, the reviewer had this issue as well. So I had to basically educate them on this problem that Google is having and then show them a YouTube video on how to perform this workaround. So I hope this video helps other people that are having this issue during both the review process as well as whenever users are using their add-on.